Well, 7 elderly people, among them 5 men and 2 women, are reported to have died in Logetei village in Baragoi due to starvation. 9 others remain in critical condition in Samburu County, the elderly being the most affected after residents moved out of the area with their livestock in search of pasture and water, leaving behind the aged.
The drought that has hit Baragoi region has caused these residents of Logetei village to become nomads in search for water, food and pasture for their livestock. 7 elderly people have so far died as a result.
Area hii yetu imekumbwa na ukame, kiangazi kabisa ambaye tumeshuhudia.
And as many continue to move, the old remain behind, too fragile, too weak to save themselves. They can only walk to get out of their houses. The breeze outside calms them in the hot weather during the day. 9 others remain in critical condition in Samburu County as the hunger pangs continue to bite. The worst affected areas being Kawap, Ngaroni, Nachola, Swari, Seri Olepi and Marti. Residents are calling on the government to intervene and distribute relief food in the area. In the meantime, the acacia tree wild fruit is what is keeping the very young and the very old alive. According to the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, the unfolding hunger situation was predicted to peak around August, those knowing the reality of that report being the elderly at Baragoi. Marcy Kandiye, KTN Prime.